Hyderabad. It's time for your massive progress at Lumbini Elysee this April 2025. Located in the heart of the financial district, this luxury landmark is rising fast. All 10 towers, A to J, have their slabs fully completed. Block work done across all towers. Internal plastering completed. External plastering going on full swing. MEP works progressing rapidly, done up to the 14th floor. Putty work already started. Firefighting installations in progress. And yes, terrace amenities finishing is on. Located at Financial District, Lumbini Elysee is taking shape beautifully. Luxury is loading. Stay tuned for more updates. Don't miss your dream home. Like, share and subscribe for more updates. Book your site. Visit now. Link in description.